So immediate reconstruction is doing the reconstruction at the time of the mastectomy or the lumpectomy. Basically, the plastic surgeon is at the operating table with the surgical oncologist doing that reconstruction at that time. There are times that the surgical oncologist will, act alone and do their portion of the procedure that we might want to confirm margins before moving forward with reconstruction. So it might be something that the surgical oncologist does their portion of the procedure. And then after the results, you're seeing the plastic surgeon to discuss a delayed reconstruction, which sometimes is just weeks later. That's what we mean by the difference of immediate and delayed. Immediate being at the time of the oncologist surgery, and delayed meaning later. We're there together the whole time. So we're, side by side. We see the patient preoperatively together. Oftentimes I need to do a template or make the incision pattern for my surgical oncologist of how I want to reconstruct the breast. So I go in preoperatively and do all the markings. And then in the operating room, I'm assisting or preparing my reconstruction for when it's handed over to me. So I may be working on the contralateral breast in a bilateral procedure, or I may be prepping my tissue expanders on the back table, but we're in the room together the whole time during those immediate reconstructions. The surgical oncologist will certainly end before me, and so they typically don't need to stay during the reconstructive portion, but I will take over once they've done their cancer operation.